Good morning, students. Today we will discuss boiler problem and softening methods. Softening methods, there are three softening methods of hardness, that is removal of hardness using these three methods. First is lime soda method. Lime soda method is of two types, cold lime soda method and hot lime soda method. So in this diagram, we can see that combination of lime and soda, that is Na2CO3 and COH twice with coagulant sodium aluminate, is added on hard water with stirring, and because of this mixing of chemicals lime and soda and coagulant with hard water chemicals, that is calcium magnesium ion mainly and a small amount of iron aluminum and strontium, leads to precipitation of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide in the form of sludge. So we filter this through wooden filter, and in this way soft water has been collected. So in this process the raw water and the chemicals is calculated quantities are continuously fed from the top into an inner chamber of vertical circular tank provided with a pedal stirrer. The raw water and the chemical flowing down the chamber come into close contact because of the continuous stirring, and the softening reactions takes place. The sludge formed settles down to the bottom of vessel, and in this way hardness removal takes place. Second diagram here is of hot lime soda method. Here also lime and soda is added. There is no coagulant required as we are using hot water stream. So all the precipitation reaction occurs between calcium and magnesium dissolved salts, and they are converted into calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide sludge. The hot lime soda process yields softened water having relatively lower residual hardness, about 17 to 35 parts per million, as against the cold lime soda process, which is 50 to 60 ppm. A typical hot soda water softening unit includes a reaction cum settling tank and filter. If the water is alkaline, filtration through sand and gravel takes place. So this treated water first pass from a different layer of filter made up of fine sand layer, coarse sand filter, and gravel layer, and filtered soft water has been collected. So obviously because of more precipitation occur, this reaction or this method is better than cold lime soda method. These are the precipitation reactions, as we discussed that when lime and soda react with hard water causing dissolved salts in water, they will form CaCO3. All dissolved calcium is converted into, whether it is calcium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, all converted into CaCO3. In the same manner, all dissolved salts of magnesium, that is magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, gets converted into MgOH twice precipitate. So in the same manner, for temporary hardness causing calcium and magnesium, permanent hardness causing calcium magnesium gets converted into precipitates. Some bicarbonates also there, they gets converted into CaCO3. Free acid also converted into CaCO3. And if iron, aluminum and sodium salts are there, they also gets converted into respective precipitate. So with the help of this 10 chemical reaction, we can able to frame two basic formula which require for lime and soda requirement numerical problems. The total lime requirement is 74 upon 100. 74 here is the molecular weight of CaOH twice, 100 is the molecular weight of CaCO3. 2 into temporary magnesium as per the chemical reaction, temporary calcium, permanent magnesium, salts of iron, aluminum, carbon dioxide, HCl, H2SO4, HCO3, minus NaAlO2. All the values we should put in terms of CaCO3 equivalent in this formula. In the same manner, we have the formula for total soda requirement, 106 upon 100, and here 106 is the molecular weight of Na2CO3, 100 is the molecular weight of CaCO3. We should add permanent calcium, permanent magnesium plus salt of iron, aluminum, HCl, H2SO4 and minus HCO3. Here also we have to put all values in terms of CaCO3 equivalent. So this is basic chemical reaction occur when we treat hard water in cold lime soda method as well as hot lime soda method. So this is the numerical which I told you that we require the previous formula, these two formulas to solve the numerical. Calculate the amount of lime and soda required for softening 50,000 liter of water containing the following salts per liter. That is calcium bicarbonate 9.2 milligram, magnesium bicarbonate 7.9 milligram, CaSO4 15.3 milligram, MgSO4 15.0 milligram per liter, MgCl2 that is 3.0 milligram per liter, and NaCl 4.3 milligram per liter. So we get converted all the value, all this milligram per liter value of different impurities present in water into CaCO3 equivalent by dividing with the molecular weight of impurity and multiplied by the molecular weight of CaCO3. So in this way we get the different values in parts per million or CaCO3 equivalent. Here NaCl is neglected because it not at all take part in hardness causing. So we put all values, that is converted values of CaCO3 equivalent into these two formula, total lime requirement and total soda requirement, and ultimately get the result. So 50,000 liter of hard water require 1.18 kilogram of lime for removal of hardness and 1.42 kilogram of soda for removal of hardness. So these are the basic numericals based upon lime and soda methods. So lime soda method, cold lime soda method, hot lime soda method, and numerical problem. This is the today's topic which we have covered. Now in next lecture we go for different other methods, that is ion exchange method and zeolite method of hardness removal. Thank you.